Universal Orlando has just given us a little bit of information on one of the most highly anticipated lands to Universal's Orlando Epic Universe Park in 2025, How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk. Here's what we know so far. Obviously, this land's based on the DreamWorks animation How to Train Your Dragon movie franchise. Starting with the entrance, they claim you'll be transported into sweeping vistas straight out of the films, with a sparkling lagoon flanked by two massive 40-foot Viking statue sentinels, with an energetic village perched above churning waters. Once inside the actual Isle of Berk, they say you'll encounter one of the most breathtaking environments they've ever created. Sprawling rolling hills, immense hand-carved architecture, lush landscaping, the whole 9 yards. And the village will be teeming with animatronic dragons roaming about. Not just statues, but moving fire-breathing dragons interacting all around you. Universal states that between those amazing creatures and details like the sheep camouflaged as terrible terrors, the land itself is practically an attraction. And while on the subject of attractions, here's the lineup that we have coming to us. First off, you've got Hiccup's Wing Gliders, a family coaster where you ride a dragon-inspired glider alongside Hiccup and Toothless, hitting speeds up to 45 miles an hour and splashing through the lagoon. And if you're looking for a more grounded experience, there's the Untrainable Dragon live show, inspired by the one in Universal Beijing. You'll have huge animatronic dragons flying overhead, while Hiccup's crew is trying to solve a dragon mystery. If you're feeling competitive, you can squad up for Fire Drill, a wet and wild boat battle where you'll blast water cannons at flame targets in a race to master firefighting skills. Thrill fans are going to enjoy this next one, Dragon Racer Rally. On this crazy ride, which I will not be going on by any stretch of the imagination, you can control how intense your dragon racing experience is, from mild gliding to insane barrel rolls and dives up to 67 feet in the air. I'm not doing it, guys. This is not going to happen. This is not a Chuck ride. Otherwise, you're going to find Chuck with his head in the trash can next to it. No, not happening. By the way, let me know, is this a ride for you? Because I'm not big on the spinning ride thing. I'm not. I mean, it's a twist. It's something different, but I'm not spinning on that. No. Anyway, moving on. And the kids won't be left out. They have an entire Viking training camp area to explore. And of course, no visit to Berk will be complete without meeting Hiccup and his trusty knight furry pal, Toothless. And Universal is hyping this up as an incredible meet and greet experience where you can snap photos with the heroes. What makes this so much more incredible than other meet and greets? I have no idea. I really wish I knew. I wish they would tell me. Then there's the iconic meat hall, where you can feast like a true Viking. They're promising hearty meats, fish, and sandwiches, and more, paired with meads and ciders for all. And there will be a quick service spot called Spitfire Grill, where the food is cooked over an unseen dragon flames. I wonder if we'll get to see the dragon, just not the flames. Universal is putting a lot of detail and immersion into the Isle of Berk experience. From the attractions and dining and shopping, they're really striving to make you feel like you truly stepped into the world of How to Train Your Dragon. And of course, nothing compares to experience it all for yourself when Epic Universe opens in 2025. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments what you guys are most excited about. And in my opinion, I think Disney's going to have to step up the game if they want to compete with Epic Universe. They are not doing anything. They're not investing anything. They don't have any new rides or new lands like this. They keep rehashing the same old stuff. Disney's going to have to do something. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys want any more information about other theme parks or anything else in Florida or other attractions throughout the United States, check out our website, americantravel.fun. You could also sign up for our newsletter. It's only quarterly. And we also have a Redbubble shop, which I'll have all the links for everything down in the description. All right. Thank you guys. You have a great time. And remember, have fun. Bye.